Hi, my name is Ryan Morgan. I'm an oil spill response coordinator for Alyeska Pipeline Service Company's Ship Escort and Response Vessel System, better known as SERVS. SERVS is based in Valdez, where I've lived for over 30 years. My dad moved my family to Valdez so he could raise salmon at the local hatchery. I grew up fishing, hunting, and snow machining here. I even spent time working with my dad at the hatchery just down the road from Alyeska's Valdez Marine Terminal. Valdez and Alyeska are special to my whole family. My wife Stephanie works in facilities engineering for a TAPS contractor. We and our 6-year-old son Austin love taking advantage of the outdoor opportunities around this spectacular place. Alyeska's work impacts everything here: the community, the economy, the environment. When it comes to operating safely, Alyeska goes above and beyond. My wife and I are both proud to work for a company that's dedicated to protecting and preserving the area that we call home. Valdez is where the Trans-Alaska Pipeline System reaches its 800th and final mile at the Valdez Marine Terminal. But those of us who work at SERVS say that TAPS is actually 870 miles long. Our job isn't over until we've escorted tankers filled with Alaska's oil approximately 70 miles through Prince William Sound to the Hinchinbrook entrance. SERVS has the biggest oil spill response team in the world, and we use the most modern oil spill response equipment. Nearly 400 people support SERVS, including contractors and oil spill responders. There are also 11 tugboats and 7 barges that continuously operate on the water in all kinds of challenging Alaska conditions. We all share Alyeska's values and culture of safety, and everyone plays an important role in the success of our operations. For a TAPS employee, working at SERVS is pretty unique. We maintain almost 7,000 different oil spill equipment assets. Every year, we train and exercise our own equipment and personnel, as well as train approximately 450 additional fishing vessels and their hundreds of crew members. It's pretty amazing to think about all the people, talents, and equipment involved in moving oil from the Valdez Marine Terminal through Prince William Sound and beyond. And then you think about where it all begins, on the north slope of Alaska at Pump Station 1. How many people are involved, and what an awesome and daunting task that is. At Alyeska, one of our cultural attributes is take a system view. That means every one of us along the line, from Pump Station 1 to Valdez, in Anchorage and Fairbanks, whether an Alyeska employee or a contractor, every one of us takes actions and makes decisions on a daily basis that impacts the entire system. Before Alyeska, I worked as a welder and mechanic with TAPS contractors. I always heard the one thing we don't want to do is shut down the pipeline. I can appreciate that even more now, how every person and piece of equipment is integral to keep oil moving. We all have hands on the pipe, no matter what our position is. Even after oil reaches mile 800, decisions at SERVS have a direct impact on the flow of oil. We make sure that all the people and equipment meet the regulations that allow us to move oil through Prince William Sound. In my time with Alyeska, I've had the opportunity to work on projects that have given me a unique perspective on the system view of TAPS. About a year ago, I worked with a group of Alyeska employees on a tagging action team. Essentially, we built a hierarchy for tens of thousands of maintainable assets all along TAPS. This was a huge undertaking. We spent many months in front of spreadsheets sorting data. All that review really brought home to me how complex our TAPS system is. It's incredible the things we maintain and the challenges we face. Did you know that the pipeline has more than 200,000 asset tag numbers in the master equipment list? And every one of those parts is important in keeping the entire system running. Our people are even more important. During the tagging project and while attending Alyeska University, I learned so much about the pipeline and the incredibly talented and dedicated people who work on it. The experience also opened my eyes to how everything ties together. The work at SERVS may be different from that on the pipeline, but how we do it is not. We're safe, we're innovative, and we're passionately connected to our work. Everyone involved with TAPS is critical to keeping the pipeline running safely for the state of Alaska. We're all proud to be a part of that. I know I certainly am. Thank you.